Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Tasya Meylarisman with student number is 2361019. In this micro teaching video, I will demonstrate an English lesson for grade 10 students. The focus of this lesson is grammar, specifically grammar in context. The grammar topic is question text, and it will be taught through the familiar topic of watching movies. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to first identify question text in short conversations, second, explain the pattern of question text in positive and negative sentence, and write a short dialogue using question text correctly in context. During the sessions, I will demonstrate 8 micro-teaching skills: set inductions, questioning skill, reinforcement, stimulus variations, explanation skill, checking understanding, classroom management, and closure. Now, I will begin the teaching session. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are feeling good and ready to learn. Before we start our lessons, I will check the attendance list. When I call your name, please say present or I'm here, miss. Okay, I will call your name, yeah? Alia. Okay, present. Bima. Present. Citra. I'm here, miss. Alright, good. Daniel. Present. Good. Thank you very much. Everyone is ready? Please prepare your notebook and pen. Before we begin the lessons, I want to ask you something. Who likes watching movies here? Please raise your hand. Okay, Alia, very good. What kind of movies do you usually watch? Do you prefer action movies, comedy, horror, romantic movies? Okay, that's great! Watching movie is a part of our daily life, right? Now, please listen carefully to my sentence. I watched a movie last night, didn't I? You like watching movies, don't you? Now, I have some questions for you. Did I ask a long questions? Did I already know the answer? Or did I want new informations, or did I want confirmations? Yes, Daniel, confirmations. Excellent, good job. Please look at the end of the sentence. There is a short questions at the end, right? The short questions are called question tags. We use question tags to confirm informations or opinions in daily conversations. Today, we will learn how to use question text correctly when talking about movies. Now, let's look at the short dialogue here. I want you to read the dialogue silently first. Don't worry about grammar yet. Now, listen carefully while I read it aloud. The movie was really interesting, wasn't it? Yes, it was. You like action movies, don't you? I do. You didn't like the ending, did you? Not really, but the actors were good. Now, I will ask you some comprehension questions. What are they talking about? Okay, Daniel. Yes, they are talking about movie. Do they both like the movie? Alright, Alia. Not completely. Very good answer. Now let's focus on the grammar. Look at the sentence, yeah? The movie was interesting, wasn't it? The first part is positive, so the question tag is negative. Now look at this one. You didn't like the ending, did you? The first part is negative, so the question tag is positive. So the rule is, if the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. If the sentence is negative, the question tag is positive. Also, the auxiliary verb in the tag must match the main sentence. For example, was with wasn't, did with didn't, are with aren't. Let's practice together. The movie was exciting. Is the sentence positive or negative? Very good, positive. So what do we use? Good job, wasn't it? Very good. Now, she didn't enjoy the film. Is it positive or negative? Very good, everyone. The answer is negative. So the question should be, did she? Excellent. Now please imagine you are working in groups of 3 or 4. You will create a short dialogue about a movie you watched recently. Discuss with your group. Did you like the movie? What type of movie was it? How was the ending? You may start with sentences like, the movie was amazing, wasn't it? You didn't like the ending, did you? Good. Check your sentence carefully. Is it positive or negative? Does your question tag match? Or is your auxiliary verb correct? I will check it later. Okay, very good discussion, Daniel and Alia. Now, to check your understanding, we will watch a short video activity. Look at the sentence on the screen. Is it positive or negative? So what question tag should we use? Excellent answer! Now you are ready to work independently. Okay, in the end of the activity, now you will work individually. Write a short dialogue about watching a movie. Your dialogue should have 6 to 8 lines, include at least 4 question tags. Imagine you are talking with your friends. Before finishing, check, is the sentence positive or negative? Second, is your question tag correct? Third, does the auxiliary verb match? And is your pronoun correct? Please, I want you to work quietly. Time is up. Who would like to read their dialogue? Okay, very good. Your question tags are correct. If there is a small mistake, let's correct it together. Today we learned that positive sentence use negative tag and negative sentence use positive tag. We use question tags to confirm informations or opinions in daily conversations. You did a very good job today. See you next meeting. That concludes my micro teaching session on question tags for grade 10 student. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.